Okay, so this time we have midweek tournament report, and I think it's around like 22 November. First, we have Umi, I believe, and he may take two commercial, one Pancratops, and one Nip. And he don't play any hand trap, only Nip plus Improm. Next, Rescue S. Next, we have Fire King Snake Eye. Yeah, this is like best build for a Fire King deck because you have a lot of starter and you can play a lot of hand trap. Next, Silent Force. Then we have Fire King with Soul Release. Soul Release is for Mirror Match, I believe. And I'm not sure for other deck. Maybe you can use it against Labyrinth too. Another Fire King with 2 Soul Release. I don't know put anti-spell maybe when going first in Mirror maybe. Or you can play anti-spell with other deck who played a lot of spell. Labyrinth with Ancient Engine. Another Fire King. So 3 Fire King and 1 Labyrinth. And I feel like Fire King is better than Rescue S because you have less break cards. And this is 2v2 tournament, I believe. Next, Salamangreat. Rescue S. Okay, so he play this one Elder Entity in this. I don't know how he used this card because he's not play Ultimate Slayer 2. And this is really weird actually, this card. And I believe you can summon this with Synchro Pulse Exit. Maybe I'm not really sure. I forget about this card effect. Okay, so for this Salamangreat, he played Rivalry in main deck. Interesting. Rivalry is really strong actually, especially against Fire King because Fire King have a different type. So this card is really strong against Fire King. And I think people like to play Phantasma inside deck right now because everything is play Link monster. Um, yeah, this is really weird. For Prosperity, you can use this when you are going first. Snake Eye. He have Phantasma 2 in set deck, and he played Jet Synchron. So he chose to play the Synchro Engine in this deck. Fire King, this is all build. And Instant Fusion when you're going first because Super Poly is really weak when going first. So you can have this Instant Fusion to summon Mudragon and to protect your fire monster against Impalm or Valor. So that's why Valor is really weak right now and people not play Valor anymore. Silent Force pure, and he played 2 Super Poly. Next we have Runic. I don't know what this card is, this trap. And human take 2 shifter. Shifter is fine in here. The idea about this shifter is just to skip opponent turn. So you don't need to play your runic cards when you play or activate the shifter. So you can just shifter and set a float cat, or just shifter and pass. It's fine, I believe. And shifter is really strong against Fire King. Next, Rescue S. He may take Tester. Tester is for mirror, and it also really strong in Fire King matchup. So you can destroy opponent Sanctuary, so stop opponent to try exit in your turn. Next, Rescue S. The problem about Rescue S is yeah, this spell or trap Rescue S is sometimes is break, so that's why you cannot play a lot of hand trap. But this impulse is hand trap itself, and it's yeah, it is like best hand trap for Rescue S deck. So impulse is still needed in this deck, even though you have more starter with Populus and Diablo Star, but impulse is still needed. Because if you have less Rescue S monster, this emergency can be break, so that's why you need yeah, you need more Rescue S monster. He played Droplet, interesting. So for this field spell, he have second field spell in set deck. I believe it is for a runic matchup. So if your field spell got banished, you have another one. So that's the idea about it. Ignister. Horus. Horus Pure. Centurion with Dogma. And he also played Ecclesia, interesting. Okay, so I like this idea, especially when you got second, because this Ecclesia is like a free summon, and it also Tanner level 4. So you can have like more Tanner level 4. Prank Gates with Brave Token. Labyrinth. Yeah, this trap is really interesting, this trap. Rescue S. Next, Fire King with Old Tweet. He played Tronet in set deck. Tronet, this is for I believe for Rescue S. Next, we have Rescue S, and then another Rescue S. Dragonling. Dragonling with Kaiser Colosseum. This one is interesting. I don't know how this deck is work with Kaiser Colosseum, because you always have a lot of monster on the board, so it's a bit hard to use on this Kaiser Colosseum. Maybe if he got Maxi, you can like summon one big monster and activate Kaiser Colosseum maybe. Next, Rescue S. Then we have Rescue S, another Rescue S. And next we have Ataman. Then we have Magician, Three Lancia inside tech, Three Valor, Three Drill. Next Horus. Next we have, I don't know what this deck is, maybe Art Good Stuff. You have Gadget, Vernus Sleep, Quakimeru, this one, Quakimeru Art, or is it FTK or not? Not really sure actually. Rescue S. Satan Extra. Next, Snake Eye. Okay, so for this one is Fire King with Truenet. Vanquish Soul. Next, Vanquish Soul, Subterror, Red Dragon Archfiend, next, Centurion, Salamangreat, Centurion, Horus plus Naturia, Thunder Dragon, Salamangreat, and he chose to play Salamangreat Fire 3, Silent Force Pure, Rescue S with Zealandis, Rescue S, Fire King, Super Poly in main deck, Unchained, Phantom Knight, Horus. He also played this rank up. Okay. Rescue S with Super Poly and Instant Fusion in main deck. Fire King, Rescue S, Magician, we have Rescue S. Next, this one is Fire King. Next, we have Branded, Rescue S with Mantic Duster, Rescue S with Ultimate Slayer in side deck. Next, we have Laprin and Rescue S, Fire King, yeah, I think I will stop in here, this Labyrinth, and after this is from 2-day tournament. Actually, this is not from 2 days, like couple days before, and I think we'll share this share this too. This is third place with 3v3 tournament. Salaman Grid and 2 Kurikara, interesting. 2 Kurikara in set deck. Next we have Spiral, interesting. Because I saw Spiral with Horus engine. And this one is interesting. Magician. This Clear Wing is really good, and I test this, and this card is really strong in this deck. Next, Rescue S. Okay, so for this one, I believe this is top 4, and he have Truenet in side deck. Next, another Rescue S. Adaman. I don't know how he summoned this one, this Borel. Next, I believe this one is second place. Thunder Dragon. Then we have Centurion Dogma. I think this list is from before. Horus Naturia or Naturia Horus. And this is first place. We have Salaman Grid. Then we have Rescue S and Silent Force Pure. So I think right now people play pure Silent Force, and it feel weird actually, because they don't play Cold or something to stop Maxi, because sometimes you need to stop opponent Maxi, because let's say you summon this Diviner to send Trias and activate Trias, tribute Diviner, and if your opponent Gen Maxi and you don't have Cold or something to stop Maxi, they will get a lot of value. So that's weird actually. Or maybe he tried to search S with this pot extra and pot prosperity maybe. I feel like you still need Cold by the grave, because even though sometimes it's break, but Cold by the grave is really strong even though you got second too, especially against a fire deck, because they usually have princess in grave, so you can use Cold for princess. And yeah, I feel like this is still weird. They don't play Cold by the grave in main deck, or maybe Talon too. He only have a Cold in set deck, so this is really bad actually. Maybe I need to learn more about this maybe, and try to find out why they not play Cold. Maybe the game plan is like purely, because if you play purely you don't really need Cold by the grave. Maybe the idea is same, as long as you control this Skull Guardian plus no Fox, you don't need to worry about Maxi. So basically this board is like you control Dragoon. Maybe the idea is like that, but different with control Noir. I think this board, this Skull Guardian plus Fox, your opponent can destroy your this continuing spell with Phoenix or Little Next, so you cannot lock opponent with your board anymore. So yeah, that's weird actually. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it. We'll see you later on next tournament report, and I hope you get insight for this video, because I try to explain anything unique from here, and I cannot explain more than this because it will waste a lot of time. So thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.